Man, we got fires all over the place. Can't hardly breathe out here. Better get back on the AC. Hey fellers, I hope I don't wear y'all out putting up all these videos. I just get excited about this build, and I just kind of want to share it with you, you know. I was asking a friend of mine this morning, my blues brother, Darren. I said, you know, I told him I'm getting excited about my build again because I can see things changing and evolving and start to happen. And I said, do you find yourself, you know, does your enthusiasm wax and wane as you go through a build, especially a multi-year build? I mean, I've been working on this thing. Come November, it'll be 3 years. But I lost last winter. I didn't work on it last winter. I just wasn't feeling up to it, I guess. But anyway, I'm excited, so that's why I've been throwing up videos, but I'll try to contain myself. I had a gentleman contact me and asked me to look at his channel, and he wanted me to critique his channel and tell him, you know, what I think. And I went there, and man, you know, it's video games, and he plays these video games, and I don't know a thing about video games. I don't play video games. I told him, I mean, he was real nice about it, and I said, man, I can't critique your channel because I don't know what you're doing. I live in my video game. This is my video game. I'm out here making motors run and bending, shaping metal in real time, and so I'm right inside the video game, man. I'm at the heart of it. So that's my video game. It's it's a real life deal, and it's a lot of fun. But I appreciate all the support and the comments, and so many nice comments and from so many nice people, and I can't answer them all. I try to acknowledge. A lot of times I'll just take one video and I'll go down the list of comments and at least acknowledge that, you know, that you guys are watching it and how much I appreciate it. But I got this little thing now, a little heart there. If you like a comment, you put this little heart, click on the little heart. Now I don't know what that looks like on the other end. Does that show up to you guys is that I acknowledged your comment? I hope so, because I've done quite a bit of that. And I do want to acknowledge everybody, but it's hard when there's a lot of comments and when I'm in the heat of the battle like I am now, trying to get this thing to an upcoming car show. But I just got back from the muffler shop, and Steve swedged these copper pipes for me, and boy, he did a nice job, man. They're a tight fit. Most of them are, you have to almost force them in, and that's kind of what I wanted. And then once I get them in there, I'll put a screw in there and hold them in place, maybe two, depending on if there's any wiggle or not, but I don't think there's going to be. Yeah, so I'm going to cut these in half now and put them in and take a look at it. If I don't like it, I can always go back to the big pipes, but I'll get you off the tripod and show you what I'm doing here. By the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I post almost daily, and sometimes 4 or 5 times daily, and sometimes little videos, and so you get to see what's going on behind the scenes, behind the videos before they come out. So if you don't have an Instagram account and you don't want one, I don't blame you. I mean, enough social media is enough. I don't have a Facebook page because YouTube's enough for me, and the Instagram thing is just kind of a way to keep up with all my YouTube buddies between videos, and there's all these little pictures, you know, throughout the week, and it's kind of fun. So and it's so quick and easy. But if you don't want an Instagram account, like I said, enough social media is enough. I understand, I get it. So you don't have to have an account if you want to just check in and see what's going on at 2 a.m. here in Wayland's Hillbilly Workshop. It's real easy. You don't need an account. You can simply just go to waylonwire.com and click on Instagram, and it'll show you all my pictures and posts, and you can check it all out without having an account. You don't have to sign up for anything, don't have to download anything. Just go to waylonwire.com and it's all there. Plus, some of you guys, probably some of you old guys, probably some of you guys older than dirt, like the music videos that I've done in the past. I'm just joking. I appreciate the kind comments. I know I'm not a great musician, but I just try to use the talent, whatever little talent God gave me, and I think we're supposed to do that. But you can click on music here, and all these videos, all the music videos, there's I don't know, a bunch of them, 66 of them. So probably more than you ever care to watch. Anyway, just a little tip there on how you can stay in touch with what's going on in the Hillbilly Workshop here at 2 a.m. And that's when I quit this morning, and I was back at it at 8. So I'm fired up. I'm ready to go, man. Let's do this thing. Alright, now I got you off the tripod here. I'm going to show you what's going on. Here's my pipes. Like I said, I'm going to cut them in half, and so they'll be a little bit shorter. But you know what? If I don't like them, I can always go back to these big ones over here, these big old fat ones, and I can shorten them down or reshape them or cut the tips at an angle. Anything I want to do, there's just so many options. It's just wonderful, man. But oh, you see what's going on? I started to blow this thing apart, man. I've had that's what I said on Instagram at about 1 o'clock this morning. Time to blow this sucker apart. So I've had all this expanded metal out, and this one over here, had to flip it over. That doggone old Victor, he pointed out that on one the mesh was running one direction, and on this one it was running the other direction. And I'm talking about the other side, but anyway, to explain what I mean. So I'd take one off and flip it over so the mesh would run the same way. Of course, I'm so obsessive. I had to fix these so the mesh, the squares or the diamonds line up. They were off, and I've got that straightened out. I got the holes cut for my Zoomy pipes, and that's kind of ugly because the cuts don't exactly follow a line here. But I make me a little metal band to go around it or something, to kind of dress it up a little bit. But I'm not concerned about that right now. What I'm concerned about right now is to fill up this big old Bubba mug that one lonely farmer gave me. And I fill that thing up with about a half a gallon of iced tea. And boy, I'm good to go all day. And I'm also good to get up and go all night, if you know what I mean. See ya. Appreciate you.